exactly, but it was good from your side. It was not like that, okay, you were not able to answer, but you spoke very well. Clear. Akshita, you were very tremendous today, and Monica was also very fabulous. So you both were outstanding today. Means I would say that you are laudable, commendable. Means whatever words are going to be spoken, they would be less. Thank you so much for answering all those questions which you all, both had been asked. And Neha was also good today. So एक बार clap कर दो नेहा के लिए. Neha, keep performing like this as you're performing, because as you have started being involved in that conversation which actually is done by other students as well, so that is very fantastic which you have started doing. Good morning. Turn on your camera so that I could see you and every student can see you. Monica, how was your day?
It was good because there is my brother's birthday yesterday. So we enjoyed a lot. So it's good.
But that acceleration is not being visible from your side. You
Sir,
seem
I
to
got
be
motivated by
crestfallen, despondent, like a novel thing, new thing hadn't been performed by you.
yes, sir, nothing having performed by me. It was like normal days. And also my dear mother, she scolded me before 10 minutes. So that's why I'm not looking back.
Okay, why had you been just admonished by your mom?
So she wanted me to do some household work, and I denied that I don't want to. That's why she started giving a lecture of 10 minutes, and I was like, okay, 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 in front of my father, and he was like, he also admonished me a lot. That's right.
So don't you perform household work?
So I perform not that much.
No,
Like
not that.
I don't like to keep on working.
Okay, okay.
She was like, you are not working that much, which I want you to work. You are not started learning cooking. You are now 19. You have to learn how to cook and all. So I was like, okay, I will.
Obviously, they are going to be concerned you when you would be sent to other house. So at that time, how you are going to do? You will be able to do the household work or not? So that is why they are being concerned. So just
Yes,
keep learning what they are having you learn, isn't it?
yes.
चलिए बहुत अच्छे. Have you prepared questions which you had been told to prepare?
Sir, I didn't prepare, but I have lots of questions which I can ask. It
Okay,
was earlier. I
that's
was
great.
prepared.
Neha, have you prepared questions which you had been told to prepare? Neha, you have just kept your mic off. Huh.
But I prepared the topic.
Okay, topic you have prepared. It's okay when this question session would be finished, you would be allowed to just speak on that topic which you had been given. Okay?
Sir, we have to prepare questions.
Questions, important questions, or that they should be intelligent. It is not like that, okay, any kind of question which is just being begotten in your mind is being asked. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So that should be interesting, so that people could be just impelled to answer that question which would be asked. ठीक है? Yes, Raj, hello Raj, 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 Raj.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Where is your Simran?
Simran, she left.
Okay.
What is me?
Okay, how was your day? How was your yesterday?
Yesterday is my so much pain in my teeth.
Okay, turn on your camera so that I could see you and see your expression, see your reaction as well.
मैंने ऑयलिंग कर रखी है बालों में बहुत ज्यादा पेन.
अच्छा. Okay.
दिन भी गई था.
Hello, Deepak. Deepak.
Yes, sir.
How was your yesterday? Turn on your camera. How was your yesterday?
My yesterday is very bad.
Your yesterday was very bad. What happened to you?
Sir, I just listened some stories that one of my friend get placed in Google,
Okay.
a software engineer, and now I am feeling shameful that what I am doing in my life, I am doing nothing.
Okay.
Just all. Just
Mm-hmm.
uh, यही problem है बस.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm just going to ask you a question. Would you answer that question?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you feel that literally technology is just making the children smart?
Technology is making children smart.
Hmm.
Sir, if we see, there are both sides of technology. First of all, yes, technology is making us smart, intelligent, educated, because it's providing knowledge, many knowledge in free of cost. Whatever
Many
we,
knowledge need lot of knowledge.
lot of knowledge, whatever we need in our life, we just Google it and we find the answers. And many teachers in YouTube who teach in
On
free
YouTube. On YouTube.
on YouTube who teach in free of cost.
Hmm.
They are
At
also
at free of cost. At free of cost.
at free of cost. They are also providing free knowledge to us, uh, and uh, and to those also who are unable to get or unable to pay such amount of money.
Hmm.
Uh, I think YouTube is also awareing people about
Awareing,
the future,
making people aware.
making people aware about the future.
Hmm.
If we want to know about what steps we have to do to clear CGL, there are many teachers who teach us or who told us what type of book you have to study, any type of syllabus they can teach you. And if we see other side of the technology, we are till now
Till now.
until now we are becoming slave of technology.
Oh.
Whenever the bell of our mobile rings, we just go and started uh, uh, viewing the message, etc. Whatever, we can't able to make our concentration in one work. So we are nowadays we are going towards slavery of mobile. Our mobile is becoming master of our and nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
And
Thank you so much.
and there is a, we are technology has provided online education as we are also online, but we are getting a proper knowledge here given by Jordan sir. But I have seen many online education platforms um, that are giving education that are not up to the mark. Uh, what they do, the teachers of that platforms are are not experienced. They
Okay.
are just BTech pass out and BSc pass out and anything. They are get recruited from there and they start teaching.
Okay.
And they doesn't have any knowledge
They don't have.
of
They don't
the
have.
they don't they don't have any knowledge of the market and they are teaching. So I think this is a black side of technology.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Thank you so much, Deepak, for answering that question which you had been asked. Monica, you are also being asked the same question which Deepak had been asked. Would you like to answer? Like, do you literally feel that technology is literally making the children smart?
Not that I totally saturated with Deepak that there are both the aspects of in technology. There are advantages and disadvantages, both are there in technology. Technology is also making people start by giving them lots of research, which they are not able to do it by themselves. But somewhere it is also taking themselves to at that path which they are not being told. And yes, technology is making children smarter nowadays because the things which are not yes.
Huh.
as our children, as kids are nowadays feeling boring by doing anything like their homeworks and all, but technology make it more easier. Like they were having very fun, and they can do it in a very easy manner, and they can learn it in a very easy manner.
Hmm.
The way it is presented to the children, that's very fantastic.
Okay.
As the school assignments which were given to the students or children, that was also a best thing which I am getting nowadays, because somewhere it's easy for us to find the answer and write it by ourselves, because before we used to write the wrong answer and teacher used to check that answer like its answer is good.
Hmm.
And for kids these days are using technology to find out new things, innovative things, because they want to not they, they didn't want, because they have to learn more and more, and they were nowadays children are having that much good thing that they have to learn more and more.
Hmm.
There are lots of there is a better interaction, like a children used to the computer allows the children to take or on more work in the absence of an adult, or away from schools also, because nowadays also which is happening that children are not going to school, but they were going through whatever is happening in this world, only because of this technology, only because of this online portal. So according to me, yes, it is taking it is making the kids to interact, become smart. Thank you.
Hmm. That's great. Thank you so much for answering that question which had been asked. Yeah.
But for answering this question, that is technology is making our children smarter or not. So yes, I am also somewhere satiated with Monica's point that everything has two aspects, pros and cons. So yes, technology is also having two aspects. That is its disadvantages and advantages. Somewhere, firstly, I like to talk about the advantages. So somewhere, yes, it's little bit helping, but in according to my perception, as far as I know, I think disadvantages are more for the student. Such as if I talk about the advantages, so sir, this technology is making education globalized. So that's how it's helping people, helping students. As we know that there are some places, there are some regions in our world, in our whole world, where the education cannot reach. So that's how it is helping technology somewhere. But sir, why I'm saying that why I am saying that disadvantages are more. Sir, actually, it is not making our children smart. It's making our children easy to achieve. Somewhere it is for them. I just want to give my instance over here. Before coming to Glorious Institution, whatever had been given to me in my school as a project, what I did. So what did I do? I did exact time. I went to the Google and searched everything and write everything which had already written in Google. So it is for secondary work I did. But what used to happen earlier in ancient time, as there were no technology, so people were using their mind, children were using their mind, children were more innovative there. They were using their prime knowledge over there as they were inventing more. Right? So now what is happening? We are taking help of technology in everything. And sir, somewhere it's addictive to the children as well. What I can analyze that in my home as well, my younger brother is there, and he doesn't eat anything without watching TV.
Oh.
Here, technology influencing him a lot, so that he cannot even live without the TV. Like what earlier used to happen, people were sitting in the sky and they were eating together with their families. But now this connection, I cannot see them. Every child, every member of the family. I'm not talking about child only. I'm talking about the parents. When the
Parents?
I'm talking about the parents as well. What I can see there, like the connection which was there in earlier times, it's not there. They are also using own phone, and all are somewhere busy in just in scrolling down the Instagram, then scrolling WhatsApp, watching the messages of WhatsApp. So, sir, I don't think that's that's helping student to use their mind. So it's making our students smart. In earlier time, students were more smart as compared to us, as they were using their own mind. And sir, I can assure you with the statement that sir, if we are going to answer from our own words, so it's very good. I just want to share one thing. There was a topic I do not remember, but you had given me that topic, and I searched all things from the Google. And when it comes to speaking, I was not able to speak it properly. Why? Because it was not my word. It was not my thinking. That's why. But whenever I speak something from my heart, something from my words, so I speak it confidently. Why, sir? I think for me, it's innovative, and for me, it's my own thing. I'm not stealing it from anything. That's it, sir.
Okay, so you want to say like this that okay, technology oughtn't to have been there.
Sir, I am not saying technology is technology is not supposed to have it, as everything is moving in a very fast manner. So changes would be there no matter what. So I think it's totally up to human being how they are using it, how they are utilizing it, how they are squeezing the benefits from the good from the things, not only the negative.
Okay.
And so not denying the fact that technology has no advantage. Yes, it has tremendous amount of advantages, as we have already discussed in the debate session, that what kind of advantages are there with the technology. Suppose sir, pregnancy is also possible with the technology, and sir, a lot of cure of diseases is also there due to just because of technology. So I think and sir, but don't you think it's making our life very easy?
I do concede with your point that okay, our life has become easier than before, but it is not like that. Okay, it has become more easy. Still, more struggle is there, more tribulation is there, which we have to just face, or you can say more problems are there with which we'd have to do the battle as well. So technology hasn't made everything easy, I would say.
Yes, sir. I'm not saying that everything is easy,
Everything
but
piece of cake or
somewhere
paraphrases.
yes, sir. But somewhere why we are mostly struggling, it is also due to technology.
Yeah.
Why we are not struggling out? We are sitting at home, we are not having any job. Why? It's also technology that COVID-19. I think it's not a natural. Lots of diseases coming. You are watching it like black fungus is coming in our world. But it has already come, and most of the people from India only is affected by black fungus. I don't think it's natural. And earlier there were no such diseases which I can see right now in this world. And in future there would be definitely. We were not able to, we were not able to breathe properly. We always need cylinder in future.
That's great. अरे clap कर दो भाई अक्षिता के लिए. Well done, well done. बहुत अच्छे अक्षिता. Yes, Neha, do you want to answer that question, which Deepak, Monica, and Akshita had been asked?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, go ahead. Turn on your camera. हाँ बोलिए.
So technology is making children very smart, as kids are at very small age starting using mobile phones nowadays. So it actually making children practical as compared to the times when no technology is there in our country. So nowadays children are using tablet.
Children's नहीं, children.
Okay, sir. Nowadays children are using tablet, computers, mobile phones very much. They playing games, browsing, using YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram at very small age. A 4th or 5th class child is having an account on Facebook, WhatsApp. So they are thinking that phone, devices and gadgets are everything for them. So, but it has a bad impact on them, is that they are moving very far from their books and studies.
Okay.
So they think that it is not interesting for them, it is very boring. So they do not like their books and studying. So as they are thinking that it is only bookish knowledge, it is written on papers. So actually technology forces students to go far from their school knowledge of books. So nowadays there are so much online studying applications, video lectures on YouTube for the students to get more practical knowledge than school सर फॉर एग्जांपल बायजूस
Hmm.
एंड सर और भी सर बहुत सारे ऐप्स होते हैं.
There are a lot of apps.
There are a lot of apps which making students to get study on YouTube online, and so they are sir not studying. They are in school. Sir, most of the students today are not listening to their teachers in school because they know that they can study on online.
Yeah.
So technology, sir, मतलब it has a bad impact on studies.
Okay, a bad impact. So, don't you feel about it that okay, technology literally suckering the students more to learn more,
So suckering का क्या meaning है?
like assisting, helping the students. Like if I don't have
Helping the students.
if I don't have any knowledge related to anything, so don't you feel that I can take the assistance of technology and accumulate different contents?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Technology is assisting people to have more knowledge and to learn more about the gadgets which are मतलब जो सर आजकल सबको यूज करनी चाहिए.
Which people are supposed to use.
Yes, sir.
Okay, well done.
Thank you.
Instead of simply learning by remembering, we learn to learn quickly and efficiently. Yes, we think and learn differently when we use technology, but we become less getting our ways, more able to adapt to changing information, and more able to make judgment. These are all ways of being smarter, not less able. Thank you, sir.
That's great, Priya. बहुत अच्छा. Yes. Deepak, my next question is to you. That is, do you literally feel that okay, parents are literally treating their children unfairly? मतलब कि do you literally feel that parents are not treating their children fairly?
So, according to question, there are many aspects there we are seeing in our life. First of all, nowadays parents are more conservative. If their children are playing in playground in mud, they say don't play. This is not hygienic, etc. They are more concerned about studies, but what they are doing, they are just making their children to rote learning, they are not they are pressurizing for only rote learning to get good marks in schools.
They are being pressurized.
They are being pressurized.
मतलब are you talking about children or you are talking about parents? They are pressurizing.
Parents are pressurizing their children.
ठीक है.
Their parents are pressurizing their children to get more marks in school in any way. They never think what is a true education. A true education is an experience of feeling that makes you educated, not
that makes you educated. नहीं, that educates you.
That educates you. But nowadays parents are only going towards marks. Their children is getting good marks or not. He is working good in computer or not. They are driving towards technology. And other thing that they never teach their children to take risk in their life. They just set a path for their children, and children have to follow these path only. So I think the mind of parents are becoming conservative. That's why they are acting unfairly. That's all.
Well done. Akshita, my question is to you. Are parents treating their children fairly or not?
Sir, actually, it depends on the parents, I would say. I do not think that parents are only one type. There are tremendous amount of parents. They like are there in our society. Some basically I would categorize into 4 category, which is opulent, impactness, middle class family. So sir, I think no sir, I don't think they are treating our children unfairly. Sir, actually they are also changing themselves according to the society, according to the environment. Suppose sir, I want to give an example here. Earlier what used to be there, children were not allowed to study at the age of till the age of 9 or 10. They were allowed to play a lot and they were playing. But now what is happening now, the children of 2-3 years, parents are forcing, not forcing, they're like student has started learning or has participating in the class of a KG, or now earlier only from first to 12th class was there, but now KG is there, LKG is there, then UKG, then other kinds of things, elementary, these things are there. So sir, it's not the parents' fault, I would say. I think our country is moving ahead, everything is developing. That's why they are also somewhere forced to do these things. They do not want themselves to pressurize their children. Like I think the most love which we get as a child, which we get, is only from our parents. What I can feel is that they are loving. Even I'm talking about myself. I cannot talk about everybody here, but even majority of the parents are loving their children. Why they want their children to face the struggle and all those things. Sir, I don't think they are doing unfairly with their children. Children. And if I talk about the opulent family, they are, what I can see that they have given their children most of the freedom, which the freedom which is given by the opulent family's parents is not given by the middle class, or I would say impactness parents. Why sir? I think somewhere they are more educated, or they are living in that society where every parents are also allowing their children to go at the night in the club or something. They are allowed to go alone for in traveling. But if I compare their scenario with mine, I will never allow to go outside alone for holiday or in the night for the club. I definitely have to tell a lie, so that I can also roam around the world. So they won't allow me. Somewhere they are conservative, and I don't think there is nothing wrong. I don't think there is something wrong in their conservative. Their insecurity. They are valuable. Their insecurity are valuable. As I can also see, crimes are happening day by day. So as a parents, if I am considering myself as a parent, putting myself in front of my I'm putting myself as my parents, so I would definitely do the same what my parents are doing right now. So I don't think that they are pressurizing me more. They also want me to get success. That's why they are forcing me to study. As till now everyone is aware, or it is like declared something, or that education is the only way that can get you to the path of success. So that's why they are forcing. They don't want nothing. So sir,
they don't want anything. They
Yeah.
don't के साथ nothing मत लगाना. They don't want
Yes sir, they don't want
anything.
they don't want anything, or I think they are not doing with their benefit, or so that they will get profit or dividend or in future or returns. They are just doing because they want us to be happy. That's right. But big but here, that somewhere their insecurity is changing into, or is going into the wrong path, and the children, they are considering it that they are being pressurized by their family.
Okay.
As there is only part of success is education.
They are being pressurized.
being pressurized. People, children are not allowed to take to fulfill their another desire, such as I have seen one of my friend was there, and he was one of my friend is there, and he is the child of a principal. Right? He's a child of principal. I done my education in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I done my 12th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangamgarh. So he was there. And when I talked with him, he wanted to be a cricketer. He had a lot of passion towards the cricketer. But like imagine your life as a principal. Principal is very educated. I don't think she's not educated. She's very educated. She had done her graduation. She had done her all studies, PhD, then every study she had passed for, and she had experience also. But also she was not allowing his child to go to the cricket field. She
her
only
child, na?
wants
Her child.
his child.
He was.
ठीक है sir.
हाँ.
She only wanted his child to focus on studies only. So that's why I think their most love is converting into the jail or something for some children. That's it.
Oh, well done, well done. Yes. Monica, would you like to answer? Monica.
Sir, tell me one thing. Is it question session? So I will give small answer.
This was the question session, but you were giving long answer. It was okay.
Actually, I thought it's a group discussion in the first question you have asked. Okay, I will give small answer.
Okay. Answer in a succinct or precise way, so that other people also could get chance or could get to speak. है ना? Yes, Kritika, go ahead.
Okay, sir. So today's topic, children get to be intelligent or not of the phone. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any topic?
No, children.
So first of all,
what is that? What did you say?
sir, ज़्यादा से कुछ नहीं, nothing.
अरे नहीं, children क्या बोला?
अच्छा. Get to be intelligent. सर मैं भूल गई टॉपिक क्या था?
No, ये था कि is technology literally making the students smart or not, making the children smart or not?
Making the children smart or not. So first of all, children get to be intelligent of the phone. They have lots of options to get study, and reason of the phone, children doesn't go out of the door.
Children
to
don't
play.
go. Don't go.
Sorry. Don't go out of the door to play games. He or she playing video game in the home only, and that is the bad impact on this on this body.
Okay.
On his body, sorry,
On his body.
on his body and mind also, because of the phone. Because of the phone, children get increase the early increase their immaturity and age of the time, and he get asking lot of question of his families and parents, and because of the phone, children eyeball get to be loose because lots of time they get to connect with the phone.
Okay, that's great. Hello, Anu.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, I'm good, sir.
And how was your yesterday?
Yesterday was actually, it was so hectic.
Could you
but, exam is about to come.
Could you turn on your camera so that we could see you?
Yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yeah. You are visible. Yes, go ahead. My question is to you: is technology literally making the children smart or not? You were the only person who was left, so now you are allowed to answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in my conviction, a very good morning, good afternoon, when I'm present here. My name is Anu, and I would like to expound my words on this question. So I would think what actually my conviction toward it. I would say, some extent, yes. Because when I was at the age of 4 or 5 or 6, that time I was unable to do anything. But now you can see, now there is no children is going to be grown up. They are, I would say, father of anyone. So I would say they are learning many more things. They are learning the thing very expeditiously as compared to us. We were when we were at the age of 5 or 6, we were unable to do simple things. We were unable to do kind of like if it comes to reading skills or speaking skills or any kind of skills, whatever we have core skills. So that time we are unable to do. But they are learning if it comes to vocabulary, listening, speaking. They are speaking in a very different or sophisticated way. If I talk about, if I take example of in my family.
Take
so
an
my-
example.
Yes.
Take an example of my family.
If I take example of my family, so I can see the visible difference. My niece is actually, I would say, 3 years old, or she can easily commemorate the words very easily by seeing the videos, by seeing the.
Learn,
by
not
listening
commemorate. Learn.
Sir, you have to say.
Learn.
Okay, she can easily learn, she can easily speak those words very easily. And I would say some extent it's a very indispensable thing. But there are side effect of these things as well, because if you are coming across a lot of things, you are just giving phone to your child for 1 hour, 2 hours. Eyes are going to be I would say affected, because they are using phone a lot, or their eyes are very sensitive or fragile, or I would say very delicate. So in that case, they can get heart attack, they can easily affected, right? And second thing,
They can easily be affected.
Okay. They can easily be affected. Okay. They can easily be affected. Second thing, that socially empowerment. They are less at the social empowerment. They are not taking a part of gatherings. They are not taking a part of socialistic things. They always take themselves in a separate way. So they could spend time over phone a lot. So they are likely to affect. तो क्या होगा, उनकी आंखों को ज्यादा संभावना है कि फर्क पड़े.
Okay.
Their
Their eyes
are
are more likely to be affected.
affected. Third thing, that horizontally impaired by sitting on a chair and by just seeing a phone. It's a very it's a very negative thing. If you are doing so, you are going to horizontally impaired. It's very difficult to get rid of these kind of things. So there are positive things, but negative as well somehow. Thank you.
Okay. So my next question is to you. That is, are parents treating their children fairly or not?
Nowadays, sir.
Yeah.
Repeat one, sir.
Are parents nowadays treating their children fairly or not?
Sir, if I can compare to my generation, so that time my father, my parents can easily beat us. But now they always think that we are not supposed to beat our child, because they are taking a part of PTM. So always parents make them understand that you are not supposed to beat your child, because somehow you are giving them a negative aspect by beating them. So they have a lot of awareness as compared to previous ones. If I talk about my generation, so now they are treating them very, very well. Right? They also very aware now. My parents, they were not educated, and now if I talk about these generation parenting, they are very well acquainted the things. They are very situations which will be very acquainted for them. So I would say they are treating their child in a very right manner or right way, because what they think that whatever I didn't learn in my time, so I can give my children so they can evaluate easily. So I would say they are treating them right way now.
Okay, well done, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छे. Yes, Monica. Hello, Monica. 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 Yes. Are parents nowadays treating their children fairly or not?
According to me, yes, sometimes yes. Like many parents assume that a fair treatment means an equal treatment to their children. And children should receive the equal treatment by equal inheritance. And treating children fairly, that means treating them equally in the terms of asset distribution, which our parents used to consider that if we are buying anything, we need to distribute everything in equal to all my children. So that's somewhere it's not like fairly for me, because which I want. My parents never support that thing. I want to do something, and they always used to say, no, you are not doing that thing, you are doing that thing. So sometimes that was not fair for me, because I don't have any trust on that particular field or that particular thing. But they always used to force me. I know that's about my future, but I really don't want to do this thing in this present, and I really not like to think about my future, celebrate about my future a lot. It's fine if I'm doing it. In my future also I'll get something with this occupation also, this profession also. But they were not allowing me to do this thing, and they were like, no, you are not allowed to do that thing, you have to do this thing.
Okay.
So sometimes I know they were doing this thing for my future, they were fair for me. But I don't like this, according to me. So it's like I really don't like, I really don't think that they were treating us fair.
Okay, okay. So don't you feel about it that okay, they are breeding you, they are bringing you up, even they are doing a lot of sacrifices for the betterment of yours or for making your career, for educating you. So they are going the extra mile, or you can say they are biting off more than they could chew. So don't you feel that okay, they have means also rights to speak anything to you or to scold you, to admonish you, to choose your career, what career you are supposed to pursue?
Yeah, I know, but sometimes I don't have some interest in any particular field. And my father always used to deny that thing which I used to like. I want to be a journalist, and he was like, you are not going to be a journalist, you are going to be a teacher only. So I am just starting myself to prepare. I started preparing for being a teacher, a professor. That's it. He is not allowing me to do what I want, and somewhere he is allowing he is not like, I am satisfied that he begotten me. He is doing lots of sacrifices. I really respect that. But somewhere which I want, he is not letting me do that thing, and he won't even listen me about my things. He used to think that I am younger and I don't take my decisions by myself only. So that's the problem, which I used to make them understand that yes, I can take my decision, my interest is this, but he is not at all thinking. He's not at all. He's like, no, your teacher professor is so good according to a girl, so you have to prepare for that.
Okay, okay, okay. चलिए बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
Thank you, sir.
Well, Monica, when you are going to become parents, so what would you do and how would you treat your child?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. But I really want them to do that.
If girl is going to be there, what would you do? And if boy is going to be there, what would you do? And how would you treat that boy and how would you treat that girl?
Equally, not like in my house. What is this like? Girls are not allowed to go out for something, for anything. They were not allowed. But I won't like my girl to be at home only. I just want her to know about this world, because nowadays what is happening in this era. My parents used to say, now you have to go to college alone, so you have to know about that how people are. But other side, they were not allowing me to go out. So how I got to know about the people?
How?
Being at home, I won't be able to understand that how that person is, how that person is. So somewhere I used to go out. So I allow my girl or a boy both to go out to understand this world. And if they were having any problem, I'll having some friendly relationship with them, which maybe I won't be able to, because as a parent, no one can able to make a friend of their children. But somewhere I like to maintain a friendly relationship with them, and I don't know more about this thing. So
Oh.
that about my future.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Yes. Hello, Neha. Neha, would you like to answer? Neha.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, turn on your camera. हाँ, बोलिए.
So I want to tell about our parents treating their children unfairly or not.
I think being practical is the first and foremost thing in every student's life. Because if any student becomes mature and takes some degree and go to the job, then firstly the job recruiter will want that how much practical and how much knowledge you have, and not how much code learning and what the degree you have. So, but parents nowadays think that their children only study, and less playing outside and outdoor games, and get more focused on studies from the age of 2 to 3 years. So then the student is becoming more dumb and low learner. So if a student did not play more, do not interact more with his friends, then he will not become open-minded.
Okay.
According to me. So more and more exposure and interaction is to be given to the student, so that his view towards study will change and he can study and understand easily what is written in his book. If a child only studying and not playing outside, then he or she becomes a rote learner and a crammer, which are given in the book. He thinks that it is a theory and does not know its real importance in life, and not knowing that it is the most practical things, which he realizes after he becoming mature.
Okay.
So I think that practical students can not only play, they can study well and easily understand what is written in their book if they concentrate well on their study. So do you know?
What? Hello.
So if they concentrate well on their
Neha. Some disturbance is there. Yes. Some disturbance is there.
Yes, sir.
So, you said last line. What did you say?
Sir, practical students can easily understand what is written in the books if they concentrate well.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, sir. So, do you know that if we are doing any professional course and go to the job, then the company is demanding that how much knowledge first you have, and how much exposure and interaction you get in your life. So they don't want a degree, and they want to. So I have listened an interview of a newly qualified CA who is very intelligent. He has done a BCom degree from regular college, and saying that how much regular college is important in life. Because there you get some exposure which is necessary and the requirement of today's job in any multinational company.
Okay. That's great. Neha, when you would become parent, so how would you treat your child? Like, if a boy is going to be there, how you are going to treat that boy, or when a girl is going to be there, so how would you treat?
Sir, I never thought about that.
Okay, never thought. So, like, if this is the question, so how would you answer?
Sir, मतलब खेलने तो दूंगी sir.
Okay, I will let them play.
I will let them play and sir ये भी बोलूँगी. सर studies भी और playing भी दोनों एक साथ balance करके चलो.
Okay. So I'll just tell them to balance each and everything. Take care. So if you're playing, play only that much which is required, है ना? And study that much how much it is required. And if you are going to study more than that, it is going to be detrimental for you. If you are going to play more than that, it is going to spoil your future as well, है ना? And if you are not,
Yes, sir.
unless you are not making your career in that field, so you don't need to play more, है ना? Yes. Deepak, hello Deepak. Deepak.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you a question that when you would become parent, so how would you treat your children? So if boy is going to be there, how would you treat him? And if girl is going to be there, how would you treat her?
Sir, so first of all, for me, boy and girl are both are equal. They both have equal opportunities in their life. So if any of them want anything, anything to do, I will tell them do that. First of all, I will tell them do whatever you want to do. You don't need to focus on others.
Okay.
You don't need to take advice of others.
Okay.
But what you want to do with true love, true passion. You should be truly loved with it. And what I have seen till now, our parents said to us that study, but they never said how to study.
Yes.
We just doing rote learning. So the major focus of mine is that making aware what is true education, how to study.
Yes.
If I'm going, if they want, if they're going to study about science, true experience of science, how science is going to work in their life. If they are going to study arts, then what is the mind situation of the people living at that time. I want to tell them and make them aware, feel about that. And if they want to be a CA, BCom, anything, then practical knowledge is most important. In every field there is practical knowledge, and if you do anything with feeling, with passion, you will achieve the best in your life. Whatever I get till now, just
Whatever
that's
I have
all.
got so far. बहुत अच्छे. Yes, Kritika, do you want to answer? Kritika
No, sir.
or Priya?
एक मिनट सर.
Anu. My question is to you that first of all you need to answer this question. You want a girl child or you want a boy child?
Sir, girl child, obviously.
Girl child. Okay. What is the reason? Why do you want girl child and not boy child?
Sir, what I believe that girls can understand the agony of expression of mother very easily, because she has a different heart, I would say, as compared to boy one.
Okay. So how you are going to treat your children? Do you feel that you will be able to treat your children fairly?
Yes, so first of all, I would say that I would like to know her feelings, whatever she wants, but I would not give her so much liberty. What happens that if I am going to give her so much liberty, because she ultimately she has to go another family. If I will give her so much liberty, so she will she has got used to do that particular thing, right? So what I would like to do that, first of all, I will give them opportunity to do whatever you want to do in right way, not in a deplorable way that you are wearing your skirts, you are wearing a different kind of clothing, and you are going to sir उसकी आदत हो गई है sir.
Oh, now he has become habitual.
हाँ, now you are going.
You have become habitual.
Yes, sir. And second thing, I would say little bit I would be strict. strictness is very indispensable, and first and foremost as well, because you are very frank if you are giving her without asking any simple questions. So maybe it happens that she can take, or he can take, so she can take
For granted.
फायदा उठा सकते, benefit of yours.
हाँ, take the things for granted.
सर सही बोल रही हूँ?
हाँ ठीक है.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए, मैं बोल रहा हूँ take the things for granted. हेलो. हाँ अनु.
Sir, now I'm able.
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ they take the advantage of that thing, या फिर they
yes,
take the
sir.
things for granted भी बोल सकते हो.
हाँ, they can take those things for granted. सही बोल रही सर मैं?
Yes बोलिए.
हाँ, sir. So what happens then, that if you are giving her without giving her or him without asking a single question, so maybe he can become arrogant person, that I can have, or I can perceive the thing very very easily. I can get the thing very easily. So I would not give him that much latitude or liberty to take those things with for granted.
Okay.
I will give them a good education. If she wants to become a doctor, so become a doctor. I would let her become a doctor, let him become the doctor. But I will keenly observe if she is moving right way or not. I will be strict in that point as well.
Okay, well done. Raj, hello Raj.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to answer the question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Answer this question that, okay, are parents treating their children fairly or not nowadays?
Okay. If a parent takes many times to think that open the phone, that such parents are always unfair to their children.
Yes.
But these parents tend to think that the best parents are strict. This is because every parent tries to tries. Oh, what does that word tries? I don't know.
क्या?
Every parent tries.
Tries नहीं,
discipline.
every parent tries. Parents नहीं आएगा फिर.
Tries.
Every parent tries. हाँ.
Every parent tries to discipline his or her children by being strict. Parents feel that the children will always take them seriously. But from my point of view, if being too strict will lead us away from the parents.
Okay. Well done. Yes. आपको क्वेश्चंस कैसे लगे आज के? छोटे क्वेश्चंस. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Nice question was there. But पता नहीं sir, मैं आंसर ही नहीं कर पा रही. But I don't know why I'm accounting somehow.
I don't know exactly. So keep doing like this as you are doing, clear? So that you could learn more and more. So you also must be feeling about it that okay, you have started learning more. Have you started or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So that's great.
Yes, sir.
That's great. So keep participating more, or keep bringing your points of view. Doesn't matter that okay, it is related to your subject or not, or it is related to your perspective or not. Means the points which are being spoken are living up to your anticipation or not. So you are not supposed to care about that thing. What do you need to ponder? Yeah, I want to speak this thing, so I would speak. Doesn't matter that it is going to live up to the anticipation of other students or not. Clear? So what would I do? I need to speak. That's it. ठीक है ना? नेहा, तो बहुत अच्छे आपका like you have literally come along or you have literally looked up more than before. Clear? है या नहीं है? How many of you are feeling that okay, Neha Chauhan has literally been ameliorated than before?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, what changes you are finding, Akshita?
Sir, I think
I'm
I
not able to explain.
Only one person.
Anu,
First, Akshita is being allowed to answer. Then after that, Anu would answer. Yes, Akshita.
sir, actually, I remember her first day when you asked one question to her, and she said I will answer it tomorrow.
Okay.
But now the thing is totally different. She didn't procrastinate it, and she has started participating in all the conversation. No matter what topic is, whether it is related to politics, whether it is related to general life, whether it is related to like a study field, but she's taking initiative to participate, and that's a very good thing if we are participating, and it's a very good sign of emulation or revamp.
Oh, yes, good, good. Yes, Anu, do you want? Anu, what do you want to say about Neha Chauhan?
Sir, while speaking, she was looking very pacified, very calm, and it was looking like she is understanding whatever she is speaking. And the answer which was given by Neha, that was so articulated, very articulated answer, and with full of good structures, I would say. Sentences were very really nice, and that was very easily perceivable. So I would say that was the thing she is analyzing in that sentence.
Okay, yes, yes, Monica. Hello, Monica. Monica,
Yes, so
if you have listened to Neha or listened to the answers of Neha, so would you like to give your points of view that how is she now? Like, has she been ameliorated more than before, or is she same as she used to be?
yes, so she ameliorated herself a lot. Like before, I totally satisfied with Akshata's point that she first day she denied because that first day only I saw her. After that, my classes are like this only. I won't be able to take classes. That day she said like, sir, I'll speak tomorrow. I don't have words, and but now she starts taking participation in all the points, and she also raise her voice to just may I may. So that's a very fantastic thing which we are not doing nowadays.
Okay.
So I guess that's a nice thing.
Okay. So literally after a long time I listened to you because every time you used to just leave the class, and today you were present and you answered all the questions which you had been asked. That was fantastic, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you so much for answering. It was tremendous class. Prepared good questions from your side as well. So tomorrow come fast. You always come late. It's I'm just beseeching all of you to come early. Clear?